Hello everyone, my name is Mohamed. Welcome to my channel. Imagine with me this scenario. You have your barcode scanner. You connect it to your Raspberry Pi. The GPIO pins, general purpose input-output, are connected with this breadboard through a ribbon cable and GPIO extension. As you see here, I have 3 LEDs, red, yellow and green, and 1 LCD. I want to start a Python program and then turn the yellow LED on and write in the screen scan abroad. I will take my barcode scanner and scan one of these barcodes. Behind the first one is the word banana and behind the second one is the word strawberry. I want to check if these values exist in my database in the table fruits under the column fruit_name. If yes, I want to turn the green LED on and write some information on the screen. If no, I want to turn the red LED on and write some information on the screen. After this test, I want to close my Python program and turn the yellow LED off. Now, let's write some code.
Create a new Python file, API, project UI. Import all the required libraries. Now I want to connect to the database, but before I will need 2 from my environment variables, and this is the user DB and password DB. After that, I will execute the SQL command select fruit_name from fruits to get all the fruits from the database and put it in a list with the name f_list. All the fruits will be stored in the list in uppercase because the value behind my barcodes are also written in uppercase. I will write now the while loop that check each time the user's answer if he wants to continue to scan another products or not. In this while loop, I will set up first all the pins that I will use. 17 for green LED, 18 for red LED, 22 for yellow LED. Now let me create a new instance from the class LCD. And I will turn the yellow LED on and show on the screen scan abroad. Now the user will scan a product. I want to read this scanned fruit and put it in a variable. Now I will write the if statement that checks either we know the product or not. If yes, I want to turn the green light on and show on the screen some text. And then wait 2 seconds and clear the screen and turn the LED off. And now the else block with the red LED. And finally, ask the user if he wants to continue. If the answer is no, we will quit the while loop and I want to turn the yellow LED off. Let me check my code. It looks good. Now it's time to test it. Sudo I want to preserve this environment, Python 3, and the name of our file. It looks good. Now let me first scan the product banana. Looks good. Yes, I want to continue. And now I will scan the product strawberry. It looks also good. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something as always. Don't forget to subscribe the channel to see more. See you next time. Bye bye.